Hi, I'm David Bennett with AAA. As we're all spending more time at home, we thought it'd be a good idea to go over some basic car care tips. Today we're going to talk about tires and tire pressures. And the first thing you want to do is understand where to find the correct inflation. So a common mistake when checking your tire pressure is understanding what the pressure is that you should have it inflated to. And a lot of things that people do is they look at the side of the tire right here, and that's not where you find the proper inflation. Where you do that is you open up the driver's door, and there's a placard right inside. And here, it will tell you the correct amount of pressure that you should put in each of your tires. So checking your tire pressure is very easy. You just need a tire gauge. Take the valve stem cap off here, unscrew it, place it on there, push it in, pull it out, and then take a read. Here you can see it's about 28, 29 psi, and that's a little bit lower than what it should be, because as we looked on the door jamb, it should be at 32. So we want to add a couple pounds of air to this. So what you want to do is you want to stop by a gas station, get yourself find an air compressor. You want to go ahead and just put that on there. Give it a count of about 1 second per pound, and then stop. Check the air pressure. It's about 32 pounds, maybe 31. So we may want to go ahead and add 1 more pound. Right there at about 32 pounds, just as it's recommended.